kun je hem door hen laten signeren. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Killian Mallarney. He was just around the corner a minute ago. Oh, there he is. Yeah, Killian Mallarney. Is this on? Yeah.
Nog een pennetje? Oh, ja. Pak er maar even. Pennen, lijsten. Pennen. Yes.
Is it on? Okay, it's on. Good morning, everyone. I think this is the least nervous I've been before a mystery competition. I'm usually down there. But I'm not sure how long mystery photo competitions have been going on in Holland. My first memory of mystery birds was in British Birds in the 70s. And then it was just a little black and white photograph. So you had much less to go on. But I know that in Holland and Finland and probably some other countries, people have become really, really good at this. But I was asked to prepare this competition after winning the one a couple of years ago, and I hope it's okay, but I've included the Greater Western Palearctic, so it's not just a traditional Western, but that's the area that Dutch Birding covers. We have 25 photographs, and I'm going to allow about 20 seconds, roughly, for each photo. And I'll keep an eye on the number. And I just want to say that when choosing these, I didn't want to make them all ball-breakingly difficult. I mean, there's no point in that. I think it's more fun if the majority of people at least recognise maybe half the birds or whatever. So don't expect them all to be really difficult. Some of them will be easy, but some of the easy ones are difficult too. So are you all ready? Everyone got their pencil and paper?
Is it
possible to do something on the light?
I'll just wait for one or two people to settle down, because there's nothing worse than getting a late start and being one behind. I do remember arriving at a mystery competition in Britain once when the first slide was on, and myself and my friends just were walking in, desperately looking for a piece of paper. Okay.
Everybody set? Yes.
Yep. Okay. Slide number 1. Could we dim the lights a bit more, perhaps? Is that?
Okay, the names are in Dutch.
Yes, because I won't be looking at the answers. Okay. Slide number 2. These are pretty much all my own photographs. I think there might be only one photograph in here that isn't mine. So. And I don't think any of you will have seen any of them before anywhere, because I haven't posted them on.
Which countries did you visit?
Well, last year, no, I've been in lots of places. Okay. Slide number 3. I'm very curious to know how easy or difficult these are. Okay, slide number 5. Okay, number 6. Okay, slide number 7. Sometimes I think it'd be better to put them up for just 5 seconds. When you have too much time, you start doubting yourself. Okay, number 8. Okay, number 9. Number 10. Okay, number 11. Number 12. Okay, number 13. Some of these are deliberately a little bit out of focus. Okay, number 14. Okay, slide number 15. Number 16. Okay, 17. Okay. 18. Number 19. Number 20. One. Okay. 22. Okay, 23. Okay, near the end now. 24. Need to be a little bit more specific than pelican. Okay, and finally, number 25. Okay, I think that's it. I don't know who's collecting the papers and...
All right, Please give him a big applause for Kilian Melardi. I was just